Let's start with a light warm-up first. Let's start with the back and forth movement. Let's work on basic block and force movements intermediate. You can also put your upper body in front of you like a repetitive bicycle jump. Once you get used to it, try to do the movements from the knee down only. The trick is to relax your knees. More details are shown in another video. Next, let's expand your commit practice by incorporating left and right step work and sideways movement. First, from my point of view, to the right. Next is to the left. Take your time. As a feint action, move the front foot outward and to the right. Move your back foot outward to the left. Confuse your opponent by incorporating movements in various directions. See another video for more details. The last one is diagonal move. Now your committee will be able to combine offensive as well as defensive moves. Let's start with the triangle step works one at a time. Once you get used to it, try to the movement from the knee down only. The trick is to relax your knees. More details are shown in another video.